Hi, in today's video we want to personalize this table of content and this table of figures. We don't like these dots, we don't like the number, we don't like anything. We want the chapter number to be bold, the numbers to be bold, and so on. Let's see how to change things here. So content heading, we want to change the color to be blue, so very easy. I want the same thing for table of figures here, so I change this style on the right, figure index to blue. Now let's see, I want to eliminate these dots here, so let's edit. We go to level 1 to chapter number, and here we have strong emphasis, and tab stops we want to be with no dots, so strong emphasis also the name of the chapter. And let's now edit again, level 1, and we go to tab stops, and we don't want dots, we select space. Also for level 2 we don't want dots, we want space. Let's see, what we need is here this number is not bold, so let's change, let's edit. So for level 2 I want chapter number to be strong emphasis, so it's okay now. Okay, now let's change here. So let's change to strong emphasis, and when I edit table of figures everything is removed, so I don't know why they are not working. I have to insert again everything in order to make them work. Let's try again. Chapter number, I want to be strong emphasis, number range only, okay, and it's removed. So I have to delete the index and I have to insert everything again. So let's write table of figures, image, caption, and I have to do everything perfect because other way I have to do it again. So let's see, I don't want a dot, I want a space. Let's press OK. Let's check first everything. I don't want to have any error because I have to did it again. So now everything looks fine. What I want now, I want to change this number here. I want to be something special, not a simple number. I want something with a blue background and so on. So let's see what we have. We have here page number and we have a character style. We have to create that character style. So let's go to character and let's create a new style. Let's rename it page number. The font, let's choose the same as the table of contents, so Ubuntu. Let's choose bold and apply and OK. Let's see where we have this style. Let's modify. I forgot something. I want the color to be white. I want a border because I need some padding, so let's choose a blue border and let's increase the padding and let's increase the border. Let's apply, and the color for the background to be that blue. Let's see again, I have the padding, I increase it and let's apply. So let's edit, and I want for level 1 the page number to be page number. So this style I created with background, blue background. let's decrease a little bit the padding. Okay, now it's a little bit better. And let's do the same thing. Let's see on preview first. So this is how will look. So we have table of contents with blue and also the page number with a blue background. Now let's create a new style. Let's have the same font, but what I want, let's choose, instead of white, let's choose light gray. Let's choose the background to be lighter, and the border we not change that. Let's see, I forgot to rename it. Let's rename it page number level 2. Apply and OK. Now let's apply. So edit the index, go to level 2, page number, and let's change the style to page number 2. OK. And now all level 2 will have these lighter backgrounds. I have a problem here with the border. You can see we have a border from the first style, so we have to edit. Let's go to paragraph, character style, and from border let's choose the same border we have used as background. So now let's see. We have a beautiful background here depending on level. So we want the same thing for this one. Here for number we can choose page number. Okay, and the same problem, everything is removed, so I have to do everything again in order to insert a page break, a table of figures. So let's go image, caption, text, spaces here, strong emphasis here, spaces everywhere, page number to be page number. I hope I didn't forget anything, and everything looks fine now. Okay, so that was all. I forgot to eliminate these dots, but it's very easy. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos every week. Thank you.